Hi guys, I've got another marketing parable for you today. So this one's called the free sample. So under the direction of a marketer, a restaurant owner one day stood outside his store holding a box with loads and loads of free samples in it. And this was done at the recommendation of his marketer. Now, he walked back into the shop exasperated and had a go at the marketer and said, "Nobody's come in and bought any of my product." The marketer turns to him and says, but at least they know where flavour lives. So when we're looking at this kind of thing, giving free samples out, introducing people to a business, giving someone something for free breeds reciprocity. And if it's good quality and it's nice, people are very likely to come back and try again. I've used free samples a lot with businesses. One of my little tricks that I used with shops, and I've used it several times and they still do it, is giving out free lollipops to people. Because the thing is, people will bring their kids to that shop just because they know they get a free lolly to give to the kid so they don't have to buy anything for the kid. And that is a really, really good way to get customers in. So if you're running a business, think about providing a free sample, because even if you don't make a sale in the first day, first week, it doesn't matter. You are still going to be putting your product out to people and giving them a chance to try it without having to spend the money to buy it. And especially when it comes to dealing with situations like restaurants, where you have you have a large number of people and they're very hard up for money. They will always appreciate something nice when they've got that, and maybe when they've got the chance they will come back. It doesn't work for everyone, but that doesn't matter. It always ends up paying for itself if you do it right. Anyway, I hope that this will help. You have a lovely day. Bye.